If you look at this question is a question from indices, right? Question is coming from indices. If you carefully look at the first part of the numerator, it is in the form a plus b the whole square, which can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So we know that the square root of x, the whole square form will be equal to x only. So I can write here, this is nothing but root 3 plus 1. Why? Because this square root and this square will get cancelled, plus root 3 minus 1 plus 2 times whole root of 2 times whole root of root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, correct? Root 3 minus 1 into I can write like this, into root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by a square minus b square, It is in the form a square. So I can write root 3 plus 1 minus of root 3 minus 1. So this is nothing but minus of root 3 minus 1, like this. So I can write plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, 2 root 3 plus 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 can be written as square root of root 3 square minus 1 square, correct? Root 3 square minus 1 square into root 3 minus root 2 whole divided by root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled, divided by 2, correct or not? So I can write this as I can write this as 2. You see here, I can write this as 2 root 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is nothing but root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. So what we can do, we can take out the 2 common here. So I'll get root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. Your 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So your answer to the question will be root 3 the whole square. This is because of the formula a plus b into a minus b. Alright, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to what? That is equal to a square minus b square, right? A square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. So your answer to the question will be 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. This would be the answer to the question.